Yo, 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 yo. Thank you for stopping by. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Can you hear me? All right, thank you for stopping by. Now, today's video, I'm going to make it real short and sweet. I don't want to waste your time. Today's video is where should you start when it comes to working out? Whether you be a novice, you just started working out, or you took some time off and you're now coming back. I'm going to give you some tips that will help you on where to start. Bodyweight exercises are a great way to improve overall health, whether it be a push-up, a dip, a pull-up, or a squat. You're targeting a multitude of muscles, which is great if you're just starting out, especially when you're just coming back. You're going to realize very quick gains than if, you know what I'm saying, you were staying consistent. You're going to see a rapid change in your body structure, especially like when you're just starting. It's crazy. So I'll definitely say to do these compound movements, and you're going to really see a lot of results. And you're also something that you could do anywhere, whether you're outside with your friends, whether you're in your room bored. You could do these workouts anywhere. So that's why I recommend bodyweight exercises are a key instrument when you're just getting back to working out and where to start. I would also say when you're going to the gym, do not pick up no heavy weight, no 800-pound dumbbell. Take your time. You want to get a weight that is somewhat light for you so you can practice your movements. Now right here, 25-pound dumbbell. You want to take your time and practice the movement. Understand? You want to practice the movement. Now imagine this is 200, you tweaking your back, you're doing too much. You don't have to do all that. Take your time. So these are some things I definitely recommend for you to do. Bodyweight exercises, and also when you go into the gym, take your time. Also, if you can, bring a gym partner. It always helps when you have a familiar face around that's able to be patient with you and help you through the process. Now, that being said, you feel me? Take my advice. I know what I'm talking about. I've been working out for a while, and yeah, I know I might look, you know what I'm saying? But I'm in shape. Hold up, should I? Nah, I ain't gotta do all that. But nonetheless, I appreciate you for stopping by. Like I said, I'm giving you a short and sweet video. I got a lot more other videos. Definitely check those out. As far as gym intimidation, workouts that you could do, I got them all. So go down the long list and you'll find something for you. And yo, make sure you like, subscribe. It will mean a lot, help a young channel grow. And I'm gonna keep giving you these tips, keep giving you this advice. And I want to see you win. I want to see you in shape. Just the fact that you're watching this video, you're already taking the first step of going on that right path. So make sure you actually put the work in as well. Feel me? Faith without works is dead. You ain't gonna have that dream body if you're out here just watching videos all day. Get up and get out. Turn this video off right now and go hit the gym. Go work out. Go for a walk. That being said, that's all I got for you. It's your boy Vaughn. This is Heavier Than Weights. Holla at you.